Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever created a chart in Google Sheets, you know how much time it can take to get it looking just right. Maybe you've chosen the perfect colors, adjusted all the labels, and formatted it so your data really pops. But what happens when you want to use those same styles for another set of data without starting from scratch? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly copy chart formatting and duplicate charts in Google Sheets so you can save time and keep your visuals consistent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reuse your best chart designs on any data set, like a real spreadsheet pro. Let's jump right in. So let's say you already have a chart you like in your sheet. Maybe it's a bar graph showing last month's sales numbers, and now you've got a new set of figures for this month that you want to present in the exact same style. Here, what you do first, just click on your existing chart to select it. You'll see little blue handles appear around the edge. Then copy it. You can either click and choose copy, or just hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. After that, click into an empty cell near where you want your duplicate chart to go and paste it in. Again, right-click and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V or Command+V. You'll see an identical chart appear, lined up perfectly. Now what's great here is that the pasted chart keeps all your formatting, the colors, legends, font styles, and so on, so there's no need to redo all that work. But right now, both charts are showing the same data, which isn't what we want if you've got a new data set to highlight. That brings us to the next step. Let's update the second chart to use your new data while keeping the same beautiful styling. Go ahead and double-click your second chart, the one you just pasted. This action opens up the Chart Editor panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, make sure you're under the Setup tab. Now find the field called Data Range. This is where Google Sheets is pulling the numbers from for your chart. To point your duplicated chart at your new set of data, just click in this field and enter the range for your second data set. For example, if your original chart used data from Sheet 1, A1B10, and your new data is in D1E10, just type that in. Be sure you completely remove the old data range so your chart only uses the info you want. Otherwise, it might try to combine both, which can be confusing. Take your time here. It might take a few moments to double-check that you've entered the new range correctly. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always go back and adjust it. And really, that's it. Your second chart now mirrors the style of your original one, but it's displaying fresh data. This is incredibly useful if you're putting together reports with repeating sections, or if you just want all your charts in a project to look unified. Think of it like copying a beautiful template. Once you've got one chart perfect, you never have to restart from zero again. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions, or maybe there's another Google Sheets trick you're curious about, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.